Have you ever bought fresh broccoli, only to find it turning yellow or soft after just a few days? If that happens to you, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you my simple storage method that keeps broccoli fresh for much longer. This method is easy, practical, and perfect for busy days. First, I stored the broccoli by placing the stem in a glass with a little water, just like you would keep fresh flowers. Then, I placed it in the refrigerator. This simple trick helped the broccoli stay fresh, crisp and vibrant for several days. Now, let's take it out and prepare it. Look at these beautiful green leaves. They're still fresh and healthy. Many people throw these leaves away, but they are completely edible and packed with nutrients. In fact, broccoli leaves contain fiber, vitamins A and C, and antioxidants that support overall health. I'm gently separating each leaf one by one and keeping them aside. You can use these leaves in stir-fries, soups, curries, or even add them to smoothies. Nothing has to go to waste. Now, I'm cutting the broccoli into medium-sized florets. This size is perfect because it cooks evenly and is easy to use in different recipes. Broccoli is often called a superfood, and for good reason. It's naturally rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and fiber. It also contains powerful antioxidants that help protect your body's cells and support a healthy immune system. Once all the florets are cut, I'm keeping them aside and getting ready for the next step. Now, I'm filling a pot with water. I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt and about 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. The salt and vinegar help clean the broccoli and remove any dirt or tiny insects that may be hidden inside the florets. Once the water comes to a boil, I carefully add the broccoli florets and gently stir them, so every piece is evenly immersed in the hot water. I'll let the broccoli cook on low heat for about 2 minutes. This process is called blanching. Blanching helps preserve the broccoli's bright green color, fresh texture, and nutrients. It also makes broccoli last much longer in the freezer. Another great benefit of broccoli is that it's naturally low in calories but very filling. That's why it's an excellent choice if you're trying to eat healthier or manage your weight. After 2 minutes, I drain the broccoli using a strainer. Next, I spread the broccoli on a clean kitchen towel and let it dry completely. This step is very important because any extra moisture can create ice crystals in the freezer and reduce the quality of the broccoli. While it's drying, here's another interesting fact. Broccoli contains compounds that may support heart health and provide antioxidants that help protect your body from everyday oxidative stress. It's one of the healthiest vegetables you can include in your meals. Now the broccoli is completely dry. There is no extra moisture left. I'm transferring it into an airtight freezer-safe bag. Before sealing the bag, I gently press out as much air as possible. This helps prevent freezer burn and keeps the broccoli fresh for an even longer time. Finally, I place the bag in the freezer. Whenever I want to make a quick stir-fry, curry, soup, pasta, fried rice, salad, or any other delicious recipe, I simply take out the amount I need and return the rest to the freezer. There's no need to thaw the entire bag every time. This storage method saves time, reduces food waste, and always gives me ready-to-use broccoli whenever I need it. If you love meal prepping or simply want your vegetables to stay fresh for longer, I highly recommend trying this method. I hope you found this broccoli storage tip helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy recipes, smart kitchen tips, and easy cooking ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.